Hi there, and today we're going to have a Slack Task Manager tutorial. So here I am in my Slack account dashboard, and in order to go to my workspace, I just need to click on Launch Slack. If you have the Slack application installed, you can go ahead and click on Open Slack, but if not, you can just click on Cancel and click the link right here to use Slack in your browser. So here is the Slack application open in my browser. And in order to have like a Slack task manager, we can install an app called WorkAsp. So here from the sidebar, just scroll down and click on Add Apps, and then just type in WorkAsp, and then just click on the search result, and then just go ahead and install the application and sign in your details. Then after you have added the the WorkAsp application in Slack, you can see it in your apps right here and then click on it. So here is the WorkAsp application in my Slack. I have the home page, the messages page, and then the about page. And in order to have like a task manager, you can do different things. You can create a task for yourself, or you can also create tasks for your team members. So to do that, for example, if I want to create a new task, I can just go ahead and click on this new task button right here, and then I can choose the specific space that I want to add this task. So for example, I want to have a personal tasks, and then the name of the task will be take out the trash, and then the due date will be today at 4 p.m. right here, and then click on create, and then it will automatically create that task. And here you can see all of the personal tasks right here. Then you can also click on settings, or you can just click on new task to create a new task. So there seems to be a bug that the settings window is not opening right now, so we can just go ahead and move on. So if you want to create a task for your team members, what you can do is that you can type in /to do, and then type in your task right here. So for example, send report to supervisor, and then mention your team member. Then I will say later at 5 p.m. and then click on send, and then it will automatically create that task to your team member. And then if you want to view all of your tasks, you can just click on show all tasks right here, or you can also type in /to do list. And then as you can see, here is all the tasks available in this alerts channel or the alerts space. And then you can click on close, and then for example, if you want to add another task to yourself, you can just type in /to do. Then for example, walk the dog tomorrow at 7 a.m. and then it will automatically create that task for yourself. And then you can click on show all tasks, and then it will show the task right here. You can also edit a specific task by just clicking on the three dots right here and then clicking on edit, and then you can edit the details right here. So for example, if you want to change this, if you want to assign this to a different user, you can do so as well. And then you can add a description if you want, and then you can change the title if you want as well. So for example, I'll type in feed the dog, click on save, so it will automatically change that task and assign it to the specific person. And then that's it. that is how we use the Work As application so that we can have a Slack task manager. I hope you learn how to use it, and thank you for watching.